Welcome, everyone. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the importance of equity, diversity, and inclusion within our teams. Join us as we discover how to create a workplace that not only celebrates differences but ensures equal opportunities for all. Picture a workplace where every face tells a different story, where equity is the guiding principle. It's not just about having diverse voices, it's about ensuring that each voice is heard and valued. To achieve equity, education is paramount. Facilitate workshops and training sessions to raise awareness. Equip your team with the knowledge to foster an inclusive environment where everyone has an equal chance to thrive. The more we learn, the better equipped we are to foster an inclusive environment. Establish policies that not only embrace diversity but ensure equity. From hiring practices to promotions, let's commit to creating an environment where every team member has an equal opportunity to succeed. Leadership sets the tone. Lead by example, championing equity in every decision and action. Encourage fellow leaders to actively support and promote equity, inclusion, and diversity within the organization. Revamp your recruitment strategy. Implement blind recruitment to reduce bias, explore diverse job boards, and ensure that your hiring practices promote fairness and equal access to opportunities. Let's celebrate our differences. Host cultural events that showcase diversity and ensure that each cultural background is given the same platform and recognition. Empower your employee resource groups with an equity lens. These groups provide a supportive space for individuals with shared experiences, ensuring that everyone's voice is valued equally. As we conclude our exploration, let's remember that diversity, equity, and inclusion are interconnected. Let's continue promoting open communication, zero tolerance for discrimination, and a workplace that truly reflects the principles of equity for all. Subscribe for more insights on building inclusive teams. Thanks for watching.